liking this class. Wait, is that pizza?
Yes.
We get to have pizza every day?
Of course, sweetie.
Oh, let's
I'm
go.
gonna just need you to take a seat, though. Is there a problem?
Yeah, I think I'm in the wrong class.
No. You belong here.
No. Wait, this special class?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm in the wrong...
No, you belong here. You belong here. You got the lowest GPA in the class.
I got the lowest what?
GPA, you belong here. You belong here. You're way more special than these kids. You belong here.
There's gotta be a mistake.
No, there's no mistake. There is no mistake. I'm sorry to say, but you're just special.